Form A. Clearance lights. Tight, secure, no cracks. Proper color and clean. Windshield. Tight, secure, no cracks. No illegal stickers and clean. Seal. Tight, secure, no cracks. No leaks. Wipers. Tight, secure, no cracks. Rubber is not broken and good tension. Signal and emergency lights. Tight, secure, no cracks. Proper color and clean. Headlights. Tight, secure, no cracks. High and low beam present and clean. Under the truck, no leaks. Coolant tank. Tight, secure, no cracks, no leaks, full level. Original cap is tight and secure. Alternator. Tight, secure, no cracks. Belt driven. Belt is in good condition, no cuts, no more than 3/4 inch of play. Alternator wires. Tight, secure, no cuts, and no exposed wires. Water pump. Tight, secure, no cracks, no leaks. Belt driven. The belt is in good condition, no cuts, no more than 3/4 inch of play. All hoses. Tight, secure, no cracks. No leaks. The clamp is tight and secure. Wires. Tight, secure, no cuts, and no exposed wires. Air compressor and power steering pump. Tight, secure, no cracks, no leaks, and gear driven. Oil dipstick. Tight, secure, no cracks, no leaks, and full level. Power steering tank. Tight, secure, no cracks, no leaks, full level. Original cap is tight and secure. Steering system, steering box. Tight, secure to the frame, no cracks, no leaks, no missing bolts. Steering linkages, 3 bars. Tight, secure, no cracks, no bends, no illegal welds, no missing bolts. Castle nuts. Tight, secure, no cracks, no rust, with the cutter pins. Suspension system. Supports front and back. Tight, secure to the frame, no cracks, no illegal welds, no missing bolts. Leaf spring. Tight, secure, no cracks, no missing springs. U-bolts. Tight, secure, no cracks, no missing bolts. Shock absorber. Tight, secure to the frame, no cracks, no leaks, no missing bolts. Brake system. Air hose. Tight, secure, no cracks, no leaks. Air chamber. Tight, secure, no cracks, no leaks. Clamp is tight and secure. Slack adjuster. Tight, secure, no cracks, with brake release, push rod can have no more than 1-inch play with the pins. Brake drum, tight secure, no cracks, no illegal weld, no oil, and no grease. Brake shoes, tight secure, no cracks, not dangerously thin. Front tire, minimum depth is 432, no bubbles, no cuts, no recaps, around 100 psi. I need an air gauge to check the tire pressure. Valve stem, tight secure, no cracks, no leaks. Original cap is tight and secure. Rim, tight secure, no cracks, no illegal welds, no illegal holes, no bends. Lug nuts, tight secure, no cracks, no rust, no missing nuts. Hub seal, tight secure, no cracks, no leaks, no missing bolts. End of Form A.